just started yelling at Caleb, and Brucey almost hit Caleb. So then we went downstairs, and then we told you. End the story.
Alright, so did you tell him you're gonna mess up his room, little man?
And then no. Answer his question.
Did you say you're gonna mess
This
up
is the
his
crime
room?
scene.
There's a crime scene. Did you or did you not say you're gonna mess up his
We
room?
did not say nothing wrong, Caleb. Yeah, we swear. Swear.
Let me see. Let me see you, little man. So you did not say you're gonna mess up his room?
No, he just want to get us trouble. He just saying that we're gonna. They said we're gonna mess up our ribs.
Do you get in trouble in your school?
A little.
Yeah?
A little. Sometimes.
How? What do you do?
I bet. Daddy, this is not part of the crime scene. What's wrong with you?
This is a crime
Don't
scene.
answer this question.
Yeah. You're on the witness stand.
Shut your mouth.
Hey, don't talk like that. Come down from there before you damage